So we took the Sprinter down to Backlands Expedition to have their Sprinter camper van flare pods installed. Carry a lot of different items down there at Backlands Expedition. They have the flare pods, but they also have windows, bumpers, skid plates, and rock sliders. They also have a good selection of roof racks and windows. Everything they have is designed by them and built for them. And they also do a great job installing. Simon and his crew went to work starting the install on my van. I'm getting their insulated pods, 2 windows, and a set of rock sliders. What makes these pods different from the rest is they're made with fiberglass as well as a 1-inch insulating foam, which gives them an R5 value. They're then either sprayed with Backlands Stone Indy protection or a color to match your van. This shows the inside fiberglass with the sandwich core. You can see where the window was cut out. This is what gives it the R5 insulating value. Here's a good picture of what the inside of the core of the pod looks like. It looks like my van's done. They've got the pods taped onto the side to hold them, and the front windows put in. I pushed it out of the shop this morning after a night of drawing, and I think those pods and windows look pretty good. Inside, they can be finished out in a fabric. After the interior is complete, you can trim them out with wood or whatever you like. I think they're a great install job and are a great feature in my van. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. There's more to come.